Welcome back to OdinSchool's YouTube channel. If you are someone who is ready to launch your tech career, do subscribe. We have got your back. Today, we are jumping into a role that's redefining what it means to build with AI. The Generative AI and Full Stack Engineering role at Havisham Consulting. Let's take a moment to understand the company behind this exciting role. Havisham Consulting is an award-winning analytics and AI consulting firm. They specialize in building generative AI-driven solutions that empower businesses to make smarter, faster decisions. A Microsoft partner and member of NASSCOM, they bring together deep data expertise and agile execution. They consult, train, and empower teams at all levels to make data-driven decisions that positively impact the organization. They build the teams, unlock valuable insights, streamline processes, and stay ahead in today's data. If you are someone who wants to work on real client projects and build deployable AI tools, this is the environment for you. This is a generative AI and full stack engineering role based in Noida. This opportunity is ideal for recent grads with a computer science or IT background who are ready to work hands-on with LLMs, APIs, and real-world backend systems. So here are your roles and responsibilities as generative AI and full stack engineer at Havish M Consulting. Firstly, you should be working on LLM powered tools. Think chatbots, resume parsers, and PDF question and answer apps. Also, building internal tools using LangChain, Llama, and vector databases. Creating user-facing apps with Streamlit or Gradio, and writing clean backend APIs with Fast API or Flask. Along with that, testing, deploying, and documenting real-world applications. It's not just theory, it's the full generative AI workflow from concept to code. This isn't just a training role, it's a chance to work on real projects and build real solutions. At Havisham Consulting, you will work on live generative AI projects for real clients. You will also learn and use the latest AI tools and technologies, get direct guidance from experienced mentors, and have a clear path to full-time offer. So now let's talk about the strategy. How do you prepare to shine for this role? Let me give you 5 simple tips to crack this role at Havisham Consulting. My tip number 1 would be build a LangChain project. Even a small demo like a Q&A bot over PDFs show initiative and relevant tooling experience in the LangChain. Coming to tip number 2, understand the generative AI pipeline. GenAI is more than prompting. Learn how APIs, vector databases, and local LLMs come together. For example, like in tip number 1, create a company FAQ bot that answers questions based on a company's help documents. Use Python to read and clean text from PDF or HTML files. Use LangChain to connect your LLM to the vector database. Later on, use Fast API to serve your bot as an API. And at the last, use Gradio for a simple chatbox user interface. If you are an Odin grad, you have already worked on a similar kind of capstone project, so this would be easy for you. These kind of projects show you understand how you turn your LLMs into actual working tools, not just playground demos. And my tip number 3 would be practice Fast API or Flask deployment. Knowing how to build an app is great, but knowing how to deploy it makes you unstoppable. So what should you do for that? Learn to turn your generative AI project into a working microservice using Flask API or Flask. Then take it a step further, containerize it with Docker and deploy it to the cloud. This shows you're not just experimenting, you're shipping the real solutions just like in the industry. Coming to tip number 4, think in systems, not just scripts. In a consulting environment like Havisham Consulting, it's not enough to just write working code. You need to think like a system designer, someone who builds solutions that are robust, scalable, and ready to ship. Think MVPs, edge cases. user feedback, and build like it's meant to be shipped. Coming to the last tip, stay updated on LLMs. Know what LLMA3, Mistral, or 5 are doing differently. Try running one locally via Llama to get an idea of it. And here's a bonus tip. Since this is a generative AI and full stack role, make sure you have a grip on basics of web development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript knowledge, and also version control with Git and GitHub. And that's a wrap. If you are ready to move from a learner to builder and turn your skills into something real, this opportunity at Havish M Consulting could be the launchpad career opportunity that you have been waiting for. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.